Indulge in luxury living with this boutique-built 5-bedroom family home. I'm Bella Hill from Armstrong Real Estate and welcome to 1 Hangar Drive, Mount Duneed. With a north-facing yard orientation inviting plenty of natural sunlight, enjoy an open-plan kitchen, dining and living layout, perfect for the family to enjoy. Upstairs featuring 3 minor bedrooms, all with walk-in robes, as well as the master suite, with a self-contained guest suite on the ground floor, presenting a versatile living opportunity.